Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my full YouTube setup. So this is going to be my complete YouTube room. So you're going to see all the behind the scenes. That's going to include my camera equipment, the different lights that I use, and also the stands that I use. So if that interests you, make sure you go ahead and stay tuned. Of course, no one's in here. I just want to do that. But this is my YouTube room. So as you can see, it just has a little couch in here and then my full YouTube setup. So I'm going to show you exactly what it all entails. So starting with the desk, and actually all of the stuff you're going to see in this video can be purchased on Amazon. Outside of course, the Mac computer. And this sign I got, since my channel is about business, money, self-care, all that good stuff. So I got this sign from Icon Signs, and I'm going to drop the link to this below. Yeah, so this is my setup. So you can see I have 2 soft boxes, 2 LED lights, and a ring light. So, and I'm going to talk to you about my camera. So I have the Canon G7X. So I actually saw a lot of YouTubers recommend this, and I like this camera because it has the screen. So when I'm recording, I'm going to give you an example. So this is how the camera looks turned on, and I'm actually going to go around to the other side because I'm going to actually flip it up and show you what it looks like from my point of view while I'm filming. So this is what I'll see on my end. So as you can see me waving a little bit. Hi there. So as you can see, it'll show me. So that way when I'm filming myself, since I'm not one of those fancy people who has their own filming crew, it's just me by myself. This makes it easier. So while I'm filming, I'll just see myself. I can look at the screen while I'm looking at the camera. And again, this is the G7X. So this is the camera that I'm currently using. So I'm going to show you the rest of the cameras that I have that I started off with. So the next thing I'm going to show you is my newer ring light. And I believe this is the 18-inch one. You can get this from Amazon as well. It's by Neewer. The next things that I have is my soft box, which I'm going to go around on the other side to show you. These are the soft box lights. So these things. So, and I have these at the top, I like since I also sell hair. So when if I'm filming hair content or YouTube video, I do like the top of my hair to be shiny. So I have those lights up there. Then I have these LED lights. So these are my favorite lights, and these are the brightest lights that I have in here. And you can get these on Amazon. I believe they were $150 and you get 2 of them. So on the back, they have a yellow setting and then a white setting. I use the white light. So I'm gonna show you how exactly bright this is. We're gonna go around. So that's how bright this light looks, which normally, well, from other setups that I've seen, a lot of people only use the LED lights once they get them. But I typically use everything now. So that's one, and then I have the other one. And I know these lights, they also have a portable battery, which I haven't purchased yet, which I'm looking into purchasing. So, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with the yellow light. So this is the yellow, and then that's the bright white. And right now, the stand that I'm using is just a stand that comes with the ring light, since I just put my camera on there, since everything that I'm doing is pretty close. So I did want to show you an example of my lighting system. So this is how it looks with the lights completely on. Then I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks off, and you're going to be able to notice the difference right away. So just a moment. So I actually tried it with all the lights off, and it went completely dark in here. So right now I'm just filming with my ring light. So this is with my both light boxes off and both LED lights off. So you can already tell how big of a difference just having the right lights is. If you want to see what else is on my desk, I do have this cute calculator that I also got from Amazon. Business card holder, which I don't really use, but and then my Mac computer. And I'm also going to show you the other cameras that I have. So this is my storage closet, which I keep. So in here I have, now this is if I'm taking pictures, like, so for my Instagram pictures, I do have a newer flashlight that connects to my camera. The camera that I have currently is a Canon Rebel SL1. And this is the first camera that I started off with when I was recording my videos. And I didn't like it too much because I was new to recording. And with this lens, you have to play with them a little bit. And since it was just me and it didn't have that flip up detail, my videos would either be zoomed in or too far out. Then I also have, of course, the GoPro. And this is the GoPro 8 Black. And then I have these. These are for me to, so when you see my thumbnails, you'll see my little pictures, and I take these with my iPhone. And I have a couple just in case they die. And then these are just my newer storage bags. And then I also have another stand. This stand I use for the Canon camera because it's more sturdy. So I'm going to pull this one out and show you what exactly the stand looks like. And actually, I'm going to show you how tall it gets as well. Okay. So this is how my stand looks. And this stand is from Amazon. So I'll put the bigger camera on this one. It's more sturdy. Get some different angles. So that is my complete setup. And as I said before, everything you'll see in this video will all be linked to my Amazon account. So you'll be able to check it out there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found everything useful. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And also everything that I mentioned in this video can be found on Amazon. So that link is going to be in the description. If you want to follow my social media channels, it's I Am Destiny Adams on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat and Twitter. So you can follow me on all those channels. And make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for the next video.